I was notified by my union at work. They recommended that I come out here to California. Pretty much I talked to somebody on the phone, and then I just looked on the website and saw the beautiful beaches and decided it looks like a peaceful place. I started to learn about post-traumatic stress up at Lake Arrowhead, and I knew nothing about it. Had no idea what post-traumatic stress or how your body reacts to it or whatever. And when I started to find out more about it, I realized that it was more of a time issue, because you know, like most treatment facilities, it's 30 days or whatever. And you know, I never expected I'd be here as long as it was almost 7 months, and I don't regret any of it at all. I mean, I'm so grateful that I was able to stay as long as I was. You know, I really am, because as time's gone on, I've realized how affected I really was. You know, and I needed long-term mental health. I absolutely needed it, and the different classes, I think. I couldn't imagine I just can't see it working in 30 days for me. You know, for me, I needed long, because I didn't start coming out of the fog until it was 2 or 3 or 4 months where I could comprehend anything, or, you know, so, you know, a lot of the meditation stuff that, you know, it's easy to do it here in the classroom, but to carry it on once you leave here is a whole different ballgame. So the longer that you're here, the more practice you get, and so that was what was helpful for me, being able to stay as long as I have been. Because I know from my own past that, you know, I just don't think I would have followed up and tried practicing the stuff as much as I do now if I was only here for 30 days. So, but regarding the different classes, I mean, it was, if anything, it was nice because there were different people with different issues, and it sort of got me out of myself. And because you know, it was nice to be able to, you know, I knew I could be helpful to somebody else with a different issue. So that's part of recovery, I believe, is you know, to just get out of your own head. And so for me, it was the first time I ever did any type of mental health program, and yeah, it was definitely different, but it was. I was very happy with it. I really was. I was happy with it. The different patients that were here when I was here, you know, they all different types of, you know, stuff that's going on in their life. But I'm just grateful that I came into the MH. I really am. That's what I needed. No question about it. I absolutely did. Well, first of all, be grateful that you made it here. Number one thing, just be grateful that you're here. And don't listen to a lot of the, you know, negative people that might be coming through here. Everybody's negative at certain stages of their recovery and whatever it is. You know, people are, you know, there's so many people that, you know, here for a week or here long or whatever, and there's different mood changes with everybody, and you just, the best thing I can recommend anybody is to try to be positive about as often as you can. I know it's not easy sometimes, but just by making it here is, no question, by just making it here is the start of a whole chance of turning your life around. You know what I mean? And it's easy to fall, you know, we're all in a lot of pain when we get here, and it's easy to fall into, you know, the negative stuff, and because we're used to negativity or whatever. But to try to, anytime you know, hear a group of people might be talking negative, to just get away from that crowd of people, and you know, the best thing you can do is have your hand out to help someone else that might be worse off than you. You know what I mean? Because first of all, it'll get you out of yourself, and that's what it's all about, is helping one another. So I think the best thing anybody can do is just believe that it's going to work. It will work if you want it to work. whatever your issue is, you can get help. So. No, I guess that I'm just grateful that I made it as long as I did here, and I am so grateful, I really am. I am so grateful I stayed as long as I did. And they've done a lot for me since I've been here. They really have. They've done a lot for me, and you know, I think they knew I was sincere about the whole thing. And I think if you come in here and you're sincere about wanting help, then that's, you know, people here will help you, no question about it.